Today I'm going to be making the trendiest skirt of the season. If you guessed the white maxi skirt, you guessed right. I've been scrolling up and down Pinterest looking at these cute skirts. I even made a whole board for them. I'm pretty set on making a tiered skirt like these, but I do really like the full white maxi skirts too. I had a white maxi tiered skirt just like these when I was around 9 or 10, and I wore it all the time, so I'm feeling all the nostalgia looking at these. I want a skirt that moves and flows nicely, so I picked up this lightweight fabric from Hobby Lobby. I took my waist measurement and the length I wanted my skirt to be, and then you decide how many tiers you want. I decided to do 4. This is how I measured out the length of each tier. I'm using inches, by the way. And here is how I measured the height of each tier. Once I had all my measurements, I went and cut 2 of each tier out, and then used my serger to join each set of tier together at the sides, right sides facing. And now it's time to gather and gather and gather all these tiers. One of my least favorite things to do, but I know this skirt's gonna come out super cute. So let's just go ahead and get it done. First, we're going to gather the top edge of the second tier to be the same length as the top tier. I set my stitch length to the longest I could, and I sewed 2 lines of stitching about 1/4 of an inch apart. I always backstitch at the beginning, but I don't backstitch at the end, making sure to leave my thread tails long enough to pull. Then I pull the top 2 threads one way and the fabric the other way to gather. Once that's all gathered, I'm going to pin this to the bottom edge of the top tier, making sure to match up the side seams. Then we sew them together. Then again, I'm going to gather the top edge of the 3rd tier to match the length of the 2nd tier and sew that together. Don't forget to finish your raw edges. And then rinse and repeat, gather and attach last tier until we have a beautiful flowy tiered skirt like this. To finish the waist, I folded over the edge 1/2 an inch and then again 2 inches, making sure it was wide enough for my elastic. I sewed that down but made sure to leave an opening for the elastic. I fed in my elastic and then I sewed the ends of the elastic together. I stretched the waistband and did a few rows of top stitching while stretching it. This keeps the elastic from folding in the waistband because it's so annoying when the elastic's folding in there, and this is the perfect solution to keep your elastic in place. And then I finished my skirt by hemming the bottom edge with a double fold hem.